So I was playing with the car the other day. I was trying to add not exactly a catch can, but just a filter, just to vent in the air instead of the intake valve. And while the car was running was fine, but when it was idling, check this out now. Check this out. You see? And see the AFR. Alright, so, and I was wondering what the heck could be the issue for that. And yeah, the issue is very simple. I was just not understanding it exactly how it works. So let me quickly explain. So this is where I had the filter. I mean, this was my plan. As you can see, I have blocked off the place where it is supposed to go into the intake. So this is blocked, and initially I was thinking that my cap was not sealed good enough because it was letting air and in that way enriching the AFR. But yeah, actually that was not the case. So as you probably know, the PCV has two openings here and here, and this one is connected to the intake manifold. So what was happening, because this, when it's not under boost, this thing is there's a valve which is open, and basically this was trying to pull air from here. This is what it usually does. It's trying to pull air from here so that it absorbs all the gases. But usually this one, because it's connected here, there's some neutral effect going on, because this is pulling air which already came through the filter, so we have it accounted. But when this is disconnected, we don't this air doesn't pass through the MAF sensor, and it's not accounted, and the car doesn't know what to do with it. So the fuel gets rich, and as you can see, the RPMs go crazy. So when you're actually doing this, you need to remove this and put some sort of cap, my funny DIY cap here, on this, and basically vent this to atmosphere as well, or maybe, I don't know, maybe cap it altogether and just rely on one exit, only this one here. But don't quote me on that, it's just my assumption. So yeah, my idea was just to add this small filter, just to vent to atmosphere, to see if there's a difference while driving, because my car, I don't know for yours, but my car spits quite a bit of oil into the intake. So I just wanted to see if there's gonna be a difference when this is vented to atmosphere. But yeah, it's not gonna be that easy. I'm gonna have to go and buy one more of these here, so that we can block, so we can vent that as well somewhere around. But yeah, FYI guys, if you're having this issue, because I don't see it on that many places, but I've seen some forums with other cars like Nissan Qs or whatever, like Infinitis, whatever, they were having some issues. So yeah, this may be a reason. It's really just it is a leak, but it's not the leak that you're thinking of right there. It's actually through the back door, so to say. So yeah, hopefully this was helpful for you. It was very dumb mistake by my end, but hey, I'm happy that I learned something today. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you next time.